Hello and welcome back to another video here on the Blue 8 Renewables channel. Today, myself and Emily, who's currently behind the camera, are at Solar Storage Live. We're really excited to be here today. We're going to be catching up with our manufacturers from our inverters, our batteries, our panels, and even our fixing kits on some of our projects. It's a really exciting day. We're looking forward to what brand new things manufacturers are bringing along and recapping everything that we do here at Blue 8 Renewables. So come along and let's see what's involved.
Here was our first stop of the day at Segen, just catching up with my account manager, Charlie.
We've just come over to the Solax stand here at Solar Storage. We're looking today at these microinverters. So this microinverter can have up to 2 panels on it. This one can have up to 4 panels. The startup voltage for both of these is at 22 volts, which means you don't need to have a large panel or a particularly high wattage panel to get them working. And by having microinverters, it means you don't need to have a big inverter in a separate part of the house. It's all a part of the panel system. Something that we're looking into again at Blue 8 Renewables. And if it's something that you're interested in, make sure you keep tuned. So me and Emily are now off to see
Hanchu. I'm going to do a video for Blue 8.
And we'll see what exciting things they've brought here to the Solar Storage Live show.
Triple MPPT.
Triple trackers, generator input, a new version.
Okay.
Coming out maybe hopefully in the early stage of next year.
And the weight difference between those, so you 46
same,
foot.
similar.
Okay.
Very, very similar. So
That's handy.
these ones are also going to feature heaters.
Oh, so they'll have a heating element
Yes.
built in, is
Smart
that?
heating to be warmed up ready for when it's going to charge.
Right, so it can sort of pick up the weather.
That's what we're aiming.
Okay.
Aiming to do. It's going to be based on timing patterns as well. But again, that's all to come and be to be confirmed. That's what we're aiming for.
Brilliant. So that's the battery isolator there. I mean, with other manufacturers, we have to install that separately in its own box or separately. So I think that it's another big point for us is the fact that everything's built in.
So now all the breakers come with the latest breakers, which have got the DC leakage detection, bi-directional, all that kind. That can deliver up to 7 kilowatts in a power cut for 10 seconds. So that's why it's 32 amps and not less.
Yeah, I mean, probably 50% of the customers do opt for the gateway when we sell the Hanchu.
Right, so we're with Jamie. Tell us what we've got here, Jamie.
This is the Hanchu 9.4 battery with blade technology, inbuilt fire suppression, otherwise known as triple lock safety.
And we talk about the isolation that you were just discussing before with ourselves.
Yeah, it's just a 5 kilowatt isolator rather than an external isolator being required. This one's built in on the side for convenience, one less product for you guys to worry about when you're installing.
I'm going over to the new domestic range that you now have. Tell us about this new domestic range that you guys are now bringing in.
Here's our IP-rated, IP54 rated, pre-existing 5.12 battery, soon to be superseded by an IP65/66 rated model. It's smart heating technology as well, so not just traditional heating element that turns on when it gets cold. There'll be a bit more about this one. Similar sort of weight, newer design, IP rated, no enclosure needed.
Hanchu recognised installer, we're proud to install Hanchu products. In fact, we're installing one today. What makes this stand out even more than before, in your opinion?
It's the simple fact that it can go outdoors without an expensive cabinet. So customers are saving hundreds of pounds. The cabinets are great, they're safe and secure. Not necessary for everybody.
And we were discussing before about the cabinets that you're bringing in. You're bringing in a bigger cabinet, I believe.
So we've got a double cabinet already that can hold 2 9.4 batteries or 4 of the 3.68 batteries. The cabinet that you're talking about is the Extreme model, which is going to incorporate either a single 9.4 or 5.12, depending on your customer's choice. But it can also incorporate the single phase 3.6 5 or 6 kilowatt inverter. Ideal for social housing. If you've got children, you don't want your children getting their hands onto the electric cables. It's a safe, secure environment, and plus it also features smart cooling and heating, so that even if you install it in the most windy, cold, remote environments, you are guaranteed to have your products working in the harshest of weathers.
Sounds good, sounds brilliant. We look forward to installing that hopefully in the future then.
Yes, mate.
The GSE tray, now this is where the panels mount onto. We don't actually have to install rails with this, so this is like a universal mounting system for roofs that are integrated. Really nice aesthetic look and much of an easier installation, so really happy with these guys. We do actually have an install coming up with integrated roof systems, so we will be making a video on that, so be sure to stay tuned for that one.
We're now at the solar port stand. We're discussing with the team about the solar carports that we have to offer here at Blue 8 Renewables. Again, they were talking about, and we do offer domestic and commercial. So whether you're looking at it for your residential property or an office block that you have, or even for hospitals or schools, it's something we can cater for. These carports range in various different sizes. Domestics, they start from 1 and go up to 3. Commercials are 4 and above. So it's really interesting, and we're really looking forward to more meetings and what they're coming out soon here at the Solar Port team. Now we're going to the JA stand. We install JA panels here at Blue 8 Renewables. Let's see what they've got for us at the show.
Here I am looking at the different variety of JA solar panels. One thing I do love about these is the all black sleek look. They do have quite a variety of wattage as well. Great competitive price and really familiar with the product.
We're at the Tesla stand. We just caught with our account manager, just having a quick catch up, seeing where everything's at with Tesla. Stood next to one of the Powerwall 3s here, and then it has also got the special Tesla lead that is then connected to an expansion pack. We have got an expansion pack video on our YouTube channel that's linked below, or you'll be able to click a link just up there as well, and you can see how we do install these expansion packs for our customers. You can have up to 3 expansion packs on one lead Tesla, and you can have up to 4 Teslas. So you can have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that they're all at 13.5 kilowatt hours as well. Really sleek, really clever, and of course they all have a built-in inverter in the Powerwall 3s as well that you can change depending on the DNO, and just the expansion packs have the battery in it. There's no inverter inside it, so it's pure battery.
So here is the DMEG panels. Now these actually range, this is a 460, but we do tend to install the 500 watt panels. However, we do have access to all different type of DMEG panels, whether that be the ultimate all black aesthetic, if you prefer a silver frame, because we can give you anything that you require. The Aiko solar panels, we do actually install these, and what I like about these is they go up to quite a high wattage and keep the all black look, so they're very popular demand, competitive price, so we do like to install them, to be fair. Well, the product warranty is great, everything's good that end, the price point is competitive, and they're really sleek. They're quite light as well compared to other solar panels. So I know the installers do quite like installing them.
So we are at the Aiko stand. We've just had a chat with Blair, who's introduced us to the new Gen 3 panel. The 480 and 485 watt panel now comes with 30 and 30. 30-year product warranty and a 30-year performance warranty. These panels are really a premium panel. They are all black, again, sleek looking. It's something that a customer is looking for, and seeing panels move towards this 30 and 30 is fantastic. It really proves and shows that Aiko stand behind the products that they have.
So we're at Solar Edge stand here now. These are the optimizers that we do install on all of our panels just for shading purposes. They obviously optimize and enhance the performance of the panels, and they're a really good product.
Here at the Fox stand, Blue 8 Renewables is a Fox Elite installer. I'm stood by their 3-phase range, which is something we offer here at Blue 8 Renewables, as well as their single phase, whether that's for domestic or commercial, whatever suits your liking. We have the inverters and the stackable batteries, of course. If you're interested in Fox, interested in these stackable batteries, something that we haven't actually featured on the channel yet, let us know and we'll make a video on it.
MCS were also at the Solar Storage Live show. I did pop over to them to discuss the new regulations. They have got some new exciting things coming out that they do expect to come out before the end of the year.
That's it, we're all wrapped up here at the NEC here at Solar Storage Live. Our manufacturers have been kind enough to give us some goodies, and then one of our suppliers as well. It's been a fantastic day catching up with everybody here. We've really enjoyed it, really found out some really insightful things. Hopefully you have also enjoyed the video. If you would like to watch more content like this, do comment in below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.